So today we'll be discussing about location app on the platform. Down below in the navigation bar you can find for app marketplace here and you can search for location app. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time or you can choose all of them. Choose this one, continue with that and allow an install. In a moment it will be installed. Yeah, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed location app. Here we are. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Let's just choose the sub account. Here we are at the sub account now. You can find further automations in the navigation bar. And here we have to create a workflow and start from scratch to just check on the actions are working correctly or not. Here we are in the workflow builder. Let's just create an action with location app. These are the actions provided by location app. You can just integrate and use them all into your workflows. And let's just create a new tag. Name it and save this action. You can also create some notes with that. Find for custom values and down below you can find for location app, create tag, and you have chosen the name of the tag. So add some text, save this whole, and now we will be moving towards testing our workflows. You, to set an example at the moment, you can just choose this contact, head towards the execution logs. As you can see, both of the actions, create tag and notes, are executed successfully. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.